So welcome back everyone, Mike here. So the other night I published a video demonstrating the capabilities of the Stihl MSA 200C battery powered chainsaw. And I'll put that video up above here in case you didn't see that one. And what we did in that video, I used it cutting up some red oak, both some small diameter stuff. And then some pretty decent sized red oak, like 14 inches in diameter. Now the goal of that video was to see exactly how much firewood you could cut on a single battery charge. And I was using the 300 amp lithium ion battery. But what happened was it kind of got dark and started raining and I ran out of time before I ran out of battery. So today is kind of part 2 of that video, but we will definitely find out how much firewood you can cut using that battery powered chainsaw with one single charge. The only thing that I've done differently, I did sharpen the chain a little bit. It was a little bit dull. It was a used saw. It's a demo unit. So I did sharpen it, but I haven't charged the battery. And when I finished up the other night, it was at about half charge. Okay, it's showing about half a charge right now. So now I'll show you what we have cut so far. And I'm going to just stack that here in the yard here by the log splitter. And then we'll go out in the woods. I know where there's some cherry trees that are down that need cut up. They're probably 6-8 inch diameter stuff, something like that. And we'll run that saw till the battery runs dead, and then we'll know for sure exactly how much firewood you can cut on a single charge. Now before I get started though, I want to mention one thing. Tomorrow is the Paul Bunyan show in Cambridge, Ohio. You can look that up, but Melissa and I will be there. There seemed to have been some interest in that. If anyone wants to attend, it sounds like a pretty good show for all types of forestry related products, from chainsaws, log splitters, sawmills, processors, all sorts of stuff be going on there tomorrow. It's actually going on today through Sunday, but Melissa and I will be there tomorrow on Saturday, and we'll be probably around 11 o'clock in front of the education hall. I talked to some people over there. It sounded like that's a decent spot to have a little meet up there, so probably like 11 o'clock till 12:30, something like that. We'll be in front of that education hall at the Paul Bunyan show near Cambridge, Ohio tomorrow, if anyone wants to stop by. So this is the saw we're using, Stihl MSA 200C. It's got a 14-inch bar, runs just a little 1/4 inch chain on it. I never sharpened a 1/4 inch chain until recently. And this is the wood that we have cut so far, and the battery is at about half charge. Alright, this is what we have cut so far. Now we're going to go whack up a little bit of cherry. Okay, this one here is, it's about 9.5 inches in diameter. It's a cherry. This one had fallen across the trail this spring, and I just cut a section out there to get through. There's a lot of wood left here. Alright, we'll see how it does. Definitely cuts a lot better since I sharpened it. That's it, battery's dead. We got a decent load though. We'll go add it to the other pile and see what we have. Alright, now we know. That is how much firewood I cut on a single charge with the Stihl MSA 200C battery powered chainsaw. Now I did have the larger battery in there, the 300 amp lithium ion. It worked really well. Now if you remember the first night that I cut a lot of that oak there on the lower left, like 12, 14 inch stuff. It was a little slow going with that, and the chain was a little bit dull. Not too bad, but it was dull. So I did sharpen the chain, but I did not charge the battery, just picked up where I left off the other night, and this is what I ended up with. I know from doing this so long, that's going to equal just a little over 1/3 of a cord. I think that if you were to concentrate on like 8-inch, 10-inch diameter stuff like that cherry right there, you could probably easily get a 1/2 cord out of a single charge. So my opinion of this saw changed just a little bit. You know, the other day I mentioned that it'd be a great saw to have in a side-by-sider in your truck or mounted on your tractor. If you're just going out to cut, a little bit of firewood, or specifically like if there's trees across your trails or things like that, or you're going camping, it would be a great saw for that. But the more I think about it, here's the way I see it. I got almost two full Ranger bed loads of firewood out of a single charge in that battery. Now for me, when I cut firewood, very seldom do I have the time to just start cutting firewood first thing in the morning and cut all day. It never happens. I mean, I've got a million other things going on all the time. So most of the firewood cutting that I do is just an hour or two here or there. I may cut some wood in the morning, cut some grass, go put in a food plot, who knows? I mean, there's just always something to do. So I never have a full like 8 or 10 hour day just to cut firewood. So with that being said, I could see me using this saw more than I originally thought. You don't have to gas it up. It's not noisy. You still need the bar oil. And it's nowhere near as fast as that Stihl MS362. But on, sort of a relaxing evening, just going out and gathering up some firewood, you're going to come back with a full bed in a side-by-side easily. I got almost 2 of them out of it. So yeah, I could actually see me using this saw more for actually just cutting firewood, not just trail maintenance and limbing and things like that. They scared me.
I was going to go that way, but it's all wet right there. Oh, here's one of those things down here. I picked a bunch up by the house and put them in a box and then left them outside.
Yeah, I need you to collect all those.
All right, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, click like and subscribe and share them with your friends. I'm going to go downstairs.